In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to record at high frame rates using OBS, also known as Open Broadcaster Software Studio. OBS Studio is a free and open-source software suite for recording and live streaming, and it's used by many aspiring and professional content creators all over the world. Today, we will specifically look at increasing the frame rate of your recordings, which can enhance the quality of your videos, making them smoother and more appealing to watch. Grab a seat in front of your computer and let's get started. The first step in this process is simple. You will need to open your OBS Studio application. If you haven't done so already, make sure that the OBS Studio is properly installed on your computer. If not, go ahead and download it from the official website and follow the instructions for a basic setup. After installing, go ahead and double-click the OBS Studio icon to open the program. Once inside, you will be greeted by the main OBS interface. This may look a bit complicated at first, but don't worry. We're focusing specifically in one area for this tutorial. Next, take your mouse and navigate to the lower right corner of the screen. Here, you will find a button titled Settings. It is usually represented with a familiar gear-shaped icon. As the name suggests, this is where we will do the tweaking to increase your recording's frame rate. Upon clicking Settings, a new window will pop open. This window houses all the specific controls for OBS. Your attention should be directed to the list appearing on the left side panel. Near the middle of this list, you'll find an option titled Video. This is your destination. Click on Video to reveal a new set of parameters for video setting changes. The Video panel is where you can customize specifics such as resolution, downscale filter, and of course the frames per second or FPS. This last one is precisely what we are focusing on. The FPS determines how many distinct frames per second are shown on your video. The higher the number, the smoother and more lifelike the video appears. On the right side of the video panel, you will spot an option labeled FPS or frames per second. There is usually a drop-down menu next to it. Click on it to reveal a list of different frame rate options that you can choose from. The right choice here largely depends on your specific needs and equipment capabilities. It's worth noting that while high frame rates provide greater video quality, they also require more powerful computer hardware. After selecting your desired frame rate, all you have to do now is to close the settings window, and that's it. Your OBS Studio is now set to record at your chosen frame rate. Congratulations, you have successfully adjusted your frame rate in OBS Studio. Now, you are all set to create high-quality, smooth videos that will certainly engage your audience. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Enjoy recording.